In this video, we show how to replace a EDSFF drive backplane in a PowerEdge R7725. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. To remove an EDSFF drive backplane with the cover and drive backplane cover removed, as well as the air shroud, fan cage assembly, and any installed drives removed from the system, disconnect and unroute the data cables from the HPM. As well as the power cable from the HPM. Then loosen the screw that secures it in place. Slide the backplane slightly forward and then lift it up out of its socket. To install the EDSFF drive backplane, align and lower it into the system onto the sockets and slide it backwards towards the rear of the system. Then tighten the screw that secures it in place. Then reconnect and reroute any detached cables. So starting with the power supply, connect that, and then reroute these cables, putting them through their routing. Close the bracket, reconnect the cable to the HPM, then do the same thing for any other cables. For more information or assistance about the PowerEdge R7725, visit dell.com/support.